Hey guys, this is like very effective video for you to not waste your time. What are the best top 10 AI tools for writing research papers? So Consensus, first one, best for evidence-based academic search and answers questions using scientific consensus. So this is the first one for you to check out. Then also another one that is like very good too is Elicit or like Elikit. I don't know how to properly like name it, but this is great for literature reviews. You can find papers, extract key findings, synthesize research. Then also Research Rabbit, you want to also check that one for real. So discovering new papers and personalized recommendations over time. Also, you can check out Jenny AI. This is, for example, for the actual like writing assistance, helps with drafts, sections, and citations. So this is another one that you want to check out. Depends on like if you want to actually like have it and need it. So when we're gonna go even further, the next one is Scite. And this is like also best, really good for citation analysis and shows how and why papers are cited. And then also you can check out the Scholarcy. This is like another one that you can check out. So Scholarcy, for example, is great for summarizing research papers and extracts key points and create flashcards. And for reading and analyzing PDFs, it's for best for reading and analyzing PDFs and ask questions directly from papers. So primarily these are the ones that I want to share. I hope it provides a little bit of value, like what you can actually like expect out of it. But yeah, check these ones out. Maybe some of it is going to be beneficial on your journey. I hope so. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.